In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and use agents in Figma. First, go to figma.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, open any design file. It doesn't matter which file you choose as long as you're inside a Figma design canvas where you can work normally. If you're following along for the first time, it can help to open a simple file so you can clearly see what changes the agent makes on the canvas. When your file is open, look over to the left sidebar. In that panel, find the agent's icon and click it. This opens the AI chat area so you can start interacting with the agent directly inside Figma. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's also a faster way to do this. On Windows, press Ctrl and Enter. On Mac, press Command and Enter. That shortcut brings up the same agent interface, which can save time if you plan to use it often. Once the agent is open, type your prompt into the chat area. Be as clear and specific as possible so the result is closer to what you want. For example, instead of writing something vague, describe the kind of change or design help you need in a direct way. After entering your prompt, send it, and the agent will begin working on the canvas. Depending on your request, you may see it generate, edit, or assist with elements directly in your design file. Give it a moment to process and watch the canvas for updates. If you don't see the AI chat or the agents option where it should be, there's one more setting to check. Open the menu, then go to Main Menu, then Preferences, and turn on Show AI Chat on Canvas. This setting makes the chat visible in your workspace, which is important if the feature is currently hidden. After enabling it, go back to your file and try opening the agent again from the sidebar or with the keyboard shortcut. That's all you need to do. Open Figma, access the agents panel, type your prompt, and let it work directly on your canvas. If the feature isn't visible, just enable the AI chat in Preferences, and you should be ready to go.